Good morning, friends. How are you all? Welcome to my channel, Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine on this day today. And over here it's snowing, and wanted to welcome you all here and show you a bit of snow. So here it is, and it is snowing even till now also. So let's go into our kitchen. Good morning, friends. So here we woke up to the snow early in the morning. It's looking so beautiful. Look at the garages, friends. It's so small that people have to think to even put inside their garage. The garages are too small. They have provided, the apartment have provided the garages, but it's not worth it because people think that the garages are too small. It takes a hard time to um, go inside and put the car in the garage. So people prefer it to keep it out, but once the snow comes, actually it is a very light snow today, but it will become too heavy by afternoon, but it's looking so beautiful. So here I've taken 1 spoon of fennel seeds. I'll be adding it here, and 1 spoon of cardamom. So everything should be one spoon so that we can make the immunity tea and immunity powder good for winter. So somebody requested me again, and over here now I'm taking 1 spoon of cloves. These are the cloves. They are a little stuck, but I'll measure it in 1 tablespoon. So here I've taken 1 spoon of cloves also, and again I'll put it in the grinding cup, mixing cup I mean. And over here I've taken black pepper. You can just take a little because it will be too strong, and I've taken half a spoon. So now I've mixed everything together. Now I'll be blending it in my mixie, and I'll just start. We have powdered it, and it became so good. Now we'll fill it in an airtight container, and this will last you at least for 1 week. So it's looking so good. This is the tea powder which we'll use in our tea and give a nice boost to our morning. Here I'm toasting the white bread with a spoon of ghee. I don't add full spoon of ghee. I just add just for toasting it, and it becomes like this. And this is how I like to have chai and bread in the morning, and it is 11:44 in the morning. It's brunch kind, so it becomes too late for us to eat, so we eat off at brunch time, and then for dinner or something I cook some tortillas, some rice and some vegetables. So here I've taken my cup of milk, and I'm pouring it into the pan. So here I have the powder which I just now made and showed you. I'll be adding 1 spoon of this tea powder, and it is so fresh and it's smelling so good. Over here I'm adding some loose tea, and this is Red Label chai. I'm adding 2 spoons because I like it little strong. Over here I'm adding 2 spoons of sugar. So over here I've taken fresh ginger, and ginger has to be added after you added everything. And over here I'm grating it. Ginger is very good for your throat and cold. When you see this kind of temperature, you really need to have ginger chai. So it depends on how much ginger you want. You can add so much. I love a lot of ginger, so I'll be grating it for another second or two. So many new people keep joining, and they say that when you make chai and tea, it is so satisfying for us. So we love to see your chai more and more, and your immunity tea I had seen before, but you have many versions. So keep coming with many versions and show us your morning routine. So this is my morning routine. Actually it becomes of 12 o'clock and all, so it becomes a brunch for us, and by 8 o'clock or something we'll have of our dinner. This is how my day goes, and I'll do the dishwasher and all. So my tea is boiling, and we are ready to take it out. So here I'm offing it, and I can see the tea coming up already. Now I'll strain it, and this is an Indian tea kettle which I had bought from India. So here I strain it, and once you do this kind of chai, your chai becomes more tasty and more refreshing. So now I'll take out all the extract by pressing out even till the last drop. Why waste? Oh, it just spilled out, but that's fine. Yeah. So here I pour it in my cup, and here it is. Chai, 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 chai. See the froth of the tea. Yum. So this is my chai and bread, toast. So here I've taken eggs over here, and you want the shells to come out very well, you need to add 2 or 3 spoons of oil and add some salt also. I'll be adding after this. So I'm adding some salt also here, like 2 spoons. I'm putting it with a knife. I didn't find spoon, I found knife, and I put off. What a joke, LOL. But it's okay, we put like 2 spoons, that's more than enough. So here I'm putting some oil, just 2 or 3 spoons of oil. Just I'm doing eyeballing over here. So now I'm taking 1 onion and 2 pods of garlic. I'll just saute these. So I'm adding the onion traditional sauce here, like 2 or 3 spoons. 2, 3. That's more than enough. So I'm adding little chili powder. So I'm putting half spoon of salt, a pinch of turmeric. So now I'm adding a cup of water. I think I'll add little more. Here I'm adding the little frozen cilantro. So here when I was boiling the egg, one got cracked, and see the yellow part, the yolk coming out. So funny, LOL. So here I'm peeling out all the eggs, and this one was leaked out. So I'm going to just thrash that one, and I'll just put this one inside. So friends, we'll do an egg roll. Eee, this is an egg roll. It's a joke, but a kind of LOL. So here the eggs are done, and now we'll serve it with some food. So here's the egg, here's the rice, soupy. Yum for a winter day today. So enjoy the first bite. So friends, I had the chai and the bread in the morning. So then at 4 o'clock or 4:30, I take a fruit. Today I had an apple, so I finished that at 4 and 5. And then after that I went and cooked some rice and some egg curry. So this was it today for my day. And I wanted to share that I always do like 16-hour fasting. That's my window of fasting, and it's called intermittent fasting. So 16 hours I fast, and 8 hours I keep it for my eating window. So that's called intermittent fasting, and that has helped me to lose a lot of weight. So I follow that way, because if I eat in the morning brunch, I can eat easily at 8 o'clock and then go to bed by 9, 9:30, 10. So that's my procedure. I hope you liked my little video and whatever I said and shared today. So if you have liked it, share, comment and subscribe. Bye. Love you all.